I told you, I always get that wrong. Martha, Josie and the Chinese Elvis. Right. Start again. I told you. We're back here in Estridge Kitchen with the cast of Martha, Josie and the Chinese Elvis. We've got two of the lovely cast members here, including the Elvis. And right, should we introduce yourself and what your part is at the show?
Okay, my name is Jun. I'm playing the role of Timothy Wong, which is Chinese Elvis. Yeah.
I'm Rachael and I'm playing the role of Louise.
She's a surprise guest.
I'm a surprise guest.
Surprise.
Right. So we'll get this out first. So we're going to make something called a Mandu today, which you'll know what it is.
Yes, I know what it is.
And apparently his mum used to make them, so that makes me just pointless. Let her do it for a minute. So we're going to make the ingredients really quickly, and then we're going to get back to some Mandu making, which is quite simple. All right. So first we're going to add the ingredients. We're going to blend them up into like a semi-smush. That's the traditional and professional way to call it, a smush. So we're going to start with the meat first. We've got chicken thighs because they don't dry out when you cook them. So one in there. Okay. So we've got that to a smooth paste. You can have this lump here if you want to. There he goes. Ta-da. So into our bowl. And the next bit we're going to do is our harder kind of vegetable. So we need about a thumb of ginger, so this big, into small pieces for me. And this one I need 3 cloves of garlic.
I can do it!
Okay. So, do you want to tell us more about our Martha, Josie and the Elvis? What's it about?
It's about a family.
Right.
Yes. It's tricky.
It's hard to explain, isn't
It's
it, without
really
giving
hard
things
to,
away.
Yeah, it's really hard to explain.
But it's about a lady who's called Josie Botting, and it's her 50th birthday, and as a treat, her good friend organises a party for her. And to that, and there's a surprise guest who turns out to be a Chinese Elvis.
Is that because she's a Chinese Elvis fan or an Elvis fan?
Huge Elvis fan.
So in the show is there loads of like Elvis songs in it.
Yeah.
So anybody who likes Elvis will love the show.
Oh, if you're an Elvis fan, we've got the works. What is it? The thin years, the fat years.
Oh yes, the thin years, the fat years.
The fat years. That sounds interesting. So when you say this, you're gonna what? You're gonna wear.
So I have like
Chop that for me.
3 types of costumes.
Right.
I'm wearing like the jailhouse rock costume.
The jailhouse rock.
And one with GI uniform, and the other one is like the Vegas Elvis.
Is that the fat Elvis?
Yeah, the rhinestones.
Okay.
Yeah. And we've got some good Elvis hits throughout, haven't we?
Yes, we did.
So it's really good. It's really good fun.
So we're talking like a feel-good thing.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
Perfect.
It's fun. It's really good fun and very heartwarming, isn't it?
So I need 2 of those. Just cut the ends off for me and chop them. It doesn't have to be really big. It's small because we're going to blend them in there. So when does the show open?
So it opens on the 28th of March and we go through to the 20th of April.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And you can book in the usual SJT box office, or you can get the website. The date will be at the bottom of the video, and then just contact them basically. So it's selling really quickly at the moment, so make sure you get there quickly.
Yeah.
Right, let's dig into there. Okay, not too fine. About that size. And that's going to go inside here. And we're going to mix that together, and that'll be the filling. And then Mr. Jun here is going to show us how to do it. We're going to add some sesame oil.
Oh, that smells amazing.
We're going to add some black pepper or white pepper. We're going to add some vegetable stock powder. And then we're going to mix it up. So are we in? So So we need to basically put that together.
Oh, it smells.
Smells really good.
So this play, it was written by...
It's written by a lady called Charlotte James, and it's had a few. It's been done a few times before. It was at Hull Truck. It's been at Oldham Coliseum.
Yeah, I saw it in Oldham.
Did you?
Yeah, with
Oh.
Sarah Parks, who's well known for being here. So, if you know Sarah's voice, she was very good.
Did you enjoy it?
I loved it.
Oh,
I loved
good.
It. I loved it. So
hopefully we'll live up.
you'll be
to,
amazing. So who's the ideal people that you're looking forward to actually seeing the show? Who do you reckon would be the ideal audience?
I think it's just for. I think it's what's lovely about the show is that it's got real heart, and this family. There's so many different bizarre and kooky characters that everyone's quite relatable, and so I think it would suit quite a wide audience. So yeah, it's got a little bit of everything for everybody, I think, which is quite nice.
Okay, so it's kind of like last year's. We're looking at that kind of like sitcom kind of vibe to it, yeah.
Absolutely.
So and last year we had Little Voice, so I'm presuming it's that kind of like the whole family can go and see it.
Yeah, it's that lovely, wholesome northern sort of drama with heart. It's lovely, really, really
You
nice.
see, you sold me already. Now with this mixture, I don't know if your mum did this. Did she slam it?
Oh yeah.
So you pick it up and you slam it.
Ooh!
Yeah.
And this basically breaks it down, breaks the chicken down and makes it really, really sticky. So that flinging it out there, very attractive. So the longer you do it, the goopier it gets.
Take out all your aggression.
Yeah. Yeah, and everywhere, yeah. You go back to rehearsals just covered in like green gunk. Right, so we do that for a bit until it's like a smush and a paste, and that will hold together in the mandus when we do it. Okay. So we've got our mixture, and we're going to have a go at doing our the folding, which is going to make me look like an idiot, and this gentleman, maybe not. Well, this young lady.
Doubtful.
You never know. We'll do one together. I'll do one first, and then we'll see where it goes. So we've got one flat. Okay. A spoonful of our mixture into it. Flop down, around the edges, round, into. I go the middle first, and then edge way down, and then fold.
Oh, that's perfect. Look at that.
So that's mine. And now, Jun, with no pressure at all.
Okay.
I want to talk to you now. So, Jun, so basically this is your first professional stage, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
So what's your background before then?
Well, I am South Korean. I'm from I was born in South Korea. I moved to UK when I was 13, just to study, and I went to drama school in UK, and God, sorry, I can't really do two things at once.
It's concentrating.
It's going to be perfect, isn't it? You just know it, don't you?
Yeah.
It's like,
And different techers as well, different technique, which I'm.
No.
But.
Sorry.
your
doing
mum would be proud.
You're doing beautifully.
She's not going to be proud. What am I doing?
So luckily there is no dumpling folding in the show.
There you go.
That's
pretty good.
That looks awful.
thankfully terrible, and I'm very happy. So I shouldn't really say that, but you stick to acting, and I'll do
I'll carry on. So
I can have a whirl.
you have a word. Go on.
after I graduated, I went back to South Korea and I went to the army, like the Elvis himself. I went to the army for 2 years.
Is that national service?
Yes, national service. And after I finished, I came back here, and then this is like the first job that I've got.
Okay.
Yeah, since being back from the military service.
So is the Elvis in Chinese Elvis not Chinese, and he is actually in Korean in the play?
Yes, he's Korean, but he plays the Chinese Elvis.
Okay.
Yes.
This is much harder than it looks, Martyn.
It's really hard.
I really.
Well, I left you to it because I love it when I can do it better than you.
Ah! Oh, I'm furious.
You need to take some out.
Oh, do
Take some
I?
out. That's a little too much in there.
Too much. It's
Yeah.
because I'm greedy. That's why. Here we go.
So your background. Apparently you're from near Leeds.
I am. I'm from Ilkley. And it's quite boring, really. I went to drama school when I was 18 to Royal Central School of Speech and Drama, and then it's really lovely to get a job in Yorkshire, because I get to come home and see my family, and they're like, oh, we like this one, we can come, we don't have to travel across the country to come see your age. So yeah, it's lovely to be back, and lovely to be by the sea. Loving the seagulls.
Well, you had great weather for the first couple of weeks of your rehearsals.
Oh yeah.
And then you had this, which is currently now chucking it down with storm. What's the storm called this time? What's he called this time?
Storm Phalange. Storm.
Yeah, Storm Phalange. It will henceforth, Storm Phalange is heading this way. Right, so let's have a look at it. So we've got 3. I have done it a few times though. So this is mine, Jun's, Rachel's. Right, should we have a go? We'll keep going now for a bit until whatever. So, the show. Right, so what is different about this show than you've done before?
Well, I'm not used to, my character's a bit of a revelation, and for me, I've been doing a bit of comedy recently.
Right.
With me and my friends set up a little theatre company. But in this show, I sort of bring all the emotions.
Okay.
So it's quite nice actually, but to sort of get down and do something a little bit different.
Perfect.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's lovely. Yeah, but you're doing some great singing in it, aren't you, Jun? And
yes.
Your
You're
Elvis
actually singing?
His Elvis impression is brilliant, and the legs go, and it's excellent.
Yeah, it's all about how the Elvis moves, what he does when he's singing. It's like rubber legs, hip thrust and all that.
Right.
Hip thrust.
There's quite a few things in this show that we actually can't tell you about. So, if you want to know more about it, you need to go and see it, because it does have quite an adult theme, but a comedy adult theme, if you get my drift. Is that right?
Yeah, I think that's
so
absolutely
it's sort of like the adult theme used to be in Little Voice last year. It's kind of like this kind of thing. It's like it's sort of a Boyle family, isn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, there are some things you might have to explain. So we're going to get that hot, and we're going to fry these with a flat bottom down first. That's going to give it a crispy edge to it all.
Of these.
So the show, when's the show set?
So the show's set in January 2000, so the millennium has just hit. So it's got all these lovely sort of 90s references in the set, costumes.
So what we're looking for with these is a brown bottom. And now once they're brown, we're going to put some water in. And what they're going to do is they're going to steam in there. So we'll put the lid on and wait for maybe 6 minutes until they're done. And in the meantime, I think Jun is going to do his little bit of Elvis impersonation. What do you reckon?
I'll just do the lip curl. That's how the Elvis before he sings.
It's uncanny.
Isn't it?
Well, since my baby left me, and I found a new place to dwell, and it's down at the end of lonely street that a break will tell me I'll be. A break so lonely, baby. A break so lonely. I'll be so lonely I could die. Thank you very much.
Oh my god, that was that. He's speechless. Absolutely. You're much better than making Mandus, I have to say.
Oh, look at that.
So, how many songs are there in the show then?
There are.
There's about 5 or 6?
Yeah, they're about 5. 5 or 6, yeah, 5 or 6.
So we got it here. They're nearly done. You should really, in all honesty, wait until the water's disappeared. But in fact, it's not bad actually, they're nearly done. They've gone clear.
They're beautiful.
Right, so we've got them fried off. They look alright. They shouldn't be a bit drier normally, but we got them out a little bit quicker than normal. They've got a nice brown bottom. Right, help yourself.
Yes,
The dip is just a vinegar, sesame oil, water. You should have chopsticks, I'm sorry, but I just... You made them, there you go.
Oh golly, I'm useless, sorry.
They're alright? Let's have a look. Look alright.
gorgeous.
Oh, good, actually. Right.
Really good.
So the show runs from the 28th of March to the 20th of April. So it's quite a short run for the summer. So get your tickets really, really quickly. There's also open captioned, it's really rude. Right. An open caption performances, a sign language interpretive performance, and dementia friendly. So when you ring up to book your tickets, find out what days they are and give us a ring, okay? Thank you too for coming. I appreciate it.
Thank
Eat
you.
away.
Gorgeous dumpling.
Have a good run and behave yourself. See you next time. Go on.